about to leave, already packing. Come with me, I'm not really asking. We'll get away to a place where we don't know. About to see the world in action, what we can be, life with no distractions. We'll get away, this is what we waited for.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new here. In today's video, I'm going to be deep cleaning my hallway here. As you can see, I'm starting by taking all of my jackets off of our coat rack. It's not cold here anymore, so I just want to go ahead and put those away for the season. Plus, it's just starting to become pretty claustrophobic right here at the doorway. So I want to get that taken care of. I also need to dust in here. I honestly probably haven't done this in 6 months, to be honest. And I need to shampoo my carpets. If you didn't see, a couple weeks ago, I deep cleaned my living room carpets. I will link that in the description box below. If you're interested, you can go check that out. And I also have a vacuum and an old carpet machine that I'm going to be cleaning up today, because I'm going to be donating those, and I just want to get them cleaned up. That way they're not looking so nasty whenever I take them to Goodwill, because y'all will see in a few minutes my old carpet machine is so gross. So I hope that y'all enjoy this video. If you do, make sure you give it a thumbs up. It really helps out my channel. And also, if you haven't already, go ahead and subscribe. That way you don't miss any of my videos. And let's go ahead and get cleaning.
With my own doubts,
so here I'm just starting with my old vacuum. I'm gonna go ahead and get it cleaned up and ready to donate. So first I'm gonna start by winding the cord back up. You guys, this is a really bad habit of mine, of leaving my vacuum cords unraveled, and they just kind of become bad over time. But I just ordered a cordless vacuum, which I'll see in my next video, so I'm excited about that. Anyways, I'm going to just start cleaning out this tank on my vacuum, getting everything wiped down and cleaned out, and then I will move on to my carpet machine.
you told me more than once to show you my intention. My brain gets blocked at times, but now somehow I'll give you my attention. You've got to know that I ain't a person who understands all the clockwork of our romance. You make me feel so alive, always there in my mind. But I just don't know if I'll dance with the lights on, if you're gonna be moving on solo. Wait a second, cause they're playing the best song. I'll be there if you reach out to me. Reach out to me. Reach out to me.
So I'm just going to take my Method cleaner and the scent lavender and wipe down the outside of this vacuum. And this scent is probably my favorite by Method. As you can tell, I use it a lot. It's almost gone. I need to get some more. But I've been using this and the grapefruit scent lately, and I definitely prefer lavender over grapefruit, although the grapefruit is really good as well.
Somehow I need you close.
So now I'm moving on to my carpet machine, and I had footage of all of the befores of my carpet machine and before I took off the faceplate and everything, and it got lost, but as you can see, it was pretty nasty. In between this little plastic plate and the actual green part of the machine is where the water would suck up, and it would just accumulate dog hair in there and get stuck and just really, really gross. So I'm trying to get all of that taken out, and then I'm just gonna wipe down the rest of it. There was also some dog hair kind of inside of the machine. If y'all don't know, I have a husky, and her hair gets on everything, in everything, and it's such a hassle every day of my life, but I wouldn't trade her for the world. But this is kind of stuff I have to deal with because of her hair all the time.
I just don't know if I'll dance with the lights on. If you're gonna be moving on solo, wait a second, cause they're playing the best song. I'll be there if you reach out to me. Reach out to me. Reach out to me.
So just like I did with the vacuum parts, I'm just going to take all of the parts for the carpet machine apart and clean them, get all the dirt and grime off of them, and just make them look and smell a lot better. This one also had some stickers on it that needed to be taken off just because they were like accumulating dirt and hair on it, which is really gross, I know, but that was one of the reasons I went ahead and got a new machine, just because this one looked so gross. But if I would have just cleaned it, I probably could have used it a little longer, but at least it'll be going to somebody for a really cheap price who may need it a little more than I do.
Can get you out of my mind. I'm gonna do it all for you. Falling so free to the wild. Gonna do it all for you. Breathing in deep for the fall. Now I feel left to figure out your music and all of my noise, coloring all of my songs, makes me wanna scream out loud. You're already under my clothes, echoes inside of my bones. Not the brave kind, never dared to take the leap when the chances call me. You are special, ordinary, can get you out of my mind. I'm gonna do it all for you. Falling so free to the wild. Gonna do it all for you. Breathing in deep for the fall. If you're ready, so now diving deep into the wild. If you're ready, if you're ready, if you're ready, so now diving deep into the wild. If you're ready, I'm gonna do it all for you. Falling so free to the wild. Gonna do it all for you. Breathing in deep for the fall. I'm gonna do it all for you. Falling so free to the wild. Gonna do it all for you. Breathing in deep for the fall. If you're ready, so now diving deep into the wild. If you're ready, if you're ready, if you're ready, so now
Okay, so I just set all these parts over here to dry, and they all came really clean except for this top to my carpet machine. I couldn't get inside of that and get it really clean, so that's the only part that still looks a little gross, but overall pretty clean. So now I'm just going to start dusting, and I am using my Every Spring glass cleaner. If you watch my videos, then you know I usually use this on all of my glass, and I'm just going to start cleaning all the picture frames, and then I'll move on to my windows.
You came into my life and started a fire. You made me feel like I could touch the sky. Oh, there's nothing missing now that you're my desire. Now all
mention that I am using a glass microfiber cleaning cloth, and I got these at Target. They came with 2 glass cloths and 2 multi-purpose cloths, and I really love them a lot. They're really good quality and a really great price too. They leave such a street-free finish, and I just love using them. They make cleaning the windows a lot easier, and they soak up the solution. You can also use them with just water, but they work so well and make cleaning windows so much easier. So y'all are about to see a really satisfying shot of how dusty it was in here on this picture frame in just a second. Yeah, so I had not gotten to this space in quite a while, and it really was needing it.
It made me feel like I could touch the sky. Oh, there's nothing missing now that you're my desire. Now all I have to do is to make you mine. 'Cause I know, and you know what we could be. Like a song, like a perfect melody. Baby, don't say you don't.
So now I'm going to move on to cleaning my carpets, and this has got to be one of the most satisfying things to clean to me. I love so much to just watch all of that dirty water come into the tank and come out of my floors. It is so satisfying to know that you're getting all of that yuckiness out of your floors that you walk on all the time and that my daughter is on like all day. And so this is just so satisfying to me. I would love to know what y'all's most satisfying thing to watch somebody clean. Leave a comment down below and let me know what that is, because I'm really interested. But I'm just using my Power Dash Pet Carpet Machine by Hoover, and I will link that in the description box below in case anyone is interested in it. I got it at Walmart. And I am also using the Paws and Claws shampoo by Hoover as well, and I really love this shampoo. It smells amazing, and it leaves my carpets feeling so soft and refreshed after I'm done.
Something about you gives me hope. Something about you, yeah. When the sun goes down and the night sky's falling, do you believe in one-time lovers? 'Cause deep inside of my wildest dreams, you'll be by my side. When the sun goes surrounding me, baby. I'm sure we lost track of time. I don't really care about love. I don't really care about happy ever afters. Something about you gives me hope. Something about you, yeah. When the sun goes down and the night sky's falling, do you believe in one-time lovers? Deep inside of my wildest dreams, you'll be by my side when the sun goes down.
So as y'all can see there, my carpets were so gross, and as much as I clean my carpets, it never ceases to amaze me just how nasty they are. And I do it quite often. I do it every few months, and so I think I'm gonna have to start going to like once a month just to keep it from getting so bad.
A bit high on the feeling, can't seem to focus. In the corner of my best friend's sofa, you were getting buzzed on rum and cola. Wasn't brave enough yet just to talk to you. Not a smooth talker under pressure. Sweaty palms ain't making it much better. Something about you feels so special. Pretty other from the minute that I met you.
So I'm just going to go ahead and start putting all the parts back on these machines and get them ready to be donated. That way next time I am running to town, I can drop them off at Goodwill.
Smoking outside, trying to get your attention. You make me nervous. In the corner of my best friend's sofa, you were getting buzzed on rum and cola. Wasn't brave enough yet just to talk to you. Not a smooth talker under pressure. Sweaty palms ain't making it much better.
Thank you guys so much for watching today's video. I hope that you enjoyed it. If you did, make sure you hit that like button. It really helps me out if you do. Also, if you haven't already, go ahead and subscribe to my channel and make sure you hit the bell so you don't miss any of my content. And I will see you in next week's video. Bye!